In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, fix add-on data disappearing after an outage. First, go to Atlassian and make sure you're logged into the correct account. This matters because Trello Power-Ups are tied to your account permissions. And if you're signed into the wrong profile, the reconnect process may not work properly. Once you're logged in, open the Trello board where the add-on data disappeared. After the board loads, refresh the page. This quick refresh helps clear out any temporary loading issues that may have happened after the outage and gives Trello a chance to fully reload the board state. Next, click on Power-Ups. From there, open the settings for the affected power-up, meaning the add-on that was showing missing or blank data. In those settings, click Disconnect and then click Confirm. This removes the current connection, which is useful when the outage caused the power-up session or authorization to get stuck in an incomplete state. After that, click Add Power-Ups. Search for that same power-up again, then click on it and choose Add. What you're doing here is basically reattaching the add-on cleanly to the board, so Trello can rebuild the connection. If you're prompted to reconnect your account, go ahead and do that, then click Authorize. This step restores permission between Trello and the add-on, which is often the key fix when data appears to vanish after a service interruption. In many cases, the data isn't actually deleted. The connection just needs to be re-established so it can display correctly again. Now open a card that normally uses that add-on. Check whether the missing data has reappeared. If everything worked, you should see the add-on content loading again the way it did before the outage. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's the full fix. Disconnect the affected power-up, add it again, reauthorize it if needed, and then verify the result by opening a card. A couple of helpful things to keep in mind while you do this. Make sure you re-add the exact same power-up, not a similar one with a different name or provider. Also, give the card a moment to load after reconnecting, especially if the add-on pulls data from another service in the background. If the content still doesn't reappear right away, refresh the board one more time and check the same card again. Once the data shows up, you're all set. Congratulations, your Trello add-on connection should now be restored after the outage.